Yeah, fuck, that's all you want to do. Do it better than me. I think I have to take this up your dog's foot today.
Give them a go.
Yeah, with your mum. Could you keep pushing?
Little baby.
See, don't you get worn out? No, you just gotta keep doing that now. Just do it as fast as you can. Tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's after 4. There's only 4 people.
Oh, is it?
So technically I can laugh. Think of all the weight of metals.
Oh my gosh, fucking fuck! Do it!
Go first! Keep going, Ed!
Oh, turn me off!
God, you're good at this, then.
I know, I'm making it better.
Oh, baby.
Oh, you fucking bitch! Ah! Fucking click that! Sorry, James. I'm looking around.
It has.
I was here.